Chimp. Fox. Owl. Cow. Crow. Chicken. Squirrel. Tiger. Dolphin. Parrot. British Shorthair, a domestic cat breed renowned for its sturdy build, dense coat, and iconic teddy bear appearance. What distinguishes the British Shorthair from other animals is its charmingly round face, stout body, and plush fur, reminiscent of a living plush toy. With an easygoing temperament and a history dating back centuries, these cats symbolize the perfect blend of regal poise and gentle companionship. Embodying an enduring charm that sets them apart as a beloved feline treasure among domestic animals.